how to transfer WhatsApp photos from phone to computer. So if you want to transfer WhatsApp photos from a phone to your computer, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. Now on your browser, search for WhatsApp web and go and download it. Go with the official website at first and go and download the WhatsApp application. Once you've downloaded, search for WhatsApp. Now what you need to do is, in my case, I've already logged in, right? So I'll just simply go and log out just for you to show. Once you've downloaded your WhatsApp, you will have this kind of interface, right? So you just need to simply go with get started. Once you go with get started, you will get this kind of interface. Now, in order to set up WhatsApp on your computer, you need to first open up your WhatsApp on your phone. Go with the primary device where you have logged in your WhatsApp. Go with the settings on your phone and then go with linked devices and then tap on linked device. After that, scan the QR code that you have on your PC. Just wait for a few minutes or few seconds and it will log in your WhatsApp on your computer. Once you've logged in WhatsApp on your computer, you can just simply go with any chat in which you're comfortable with, and you will have all of your photos or videos that you have on your phone to your computer. It was that easy to transfer WhatsApp photos or videos from your phone to a computer. You just need simply log in. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.